Want to make your Instagram post sound fun and natural without overthinking? Let's try the composer feature on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Instagram and start creating a new post. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap the writing assist icon on your keyboard. Then tap composer. Now type your main idea. From the writing style option, choose social media. Then pick casual as the tone. Now tap generate to let composer rewrite your draft into a casual version, making your caption more lively and friendly. If you want a different option, use the refresh button. You can also copy the text to your clipboard by tapping copy or tap insert to place it directly into your Instagram post. So whenever you want to share updates with a relaxed and fun tone, composer, social media, and casual option is the perfect choice. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.